Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the CVT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a classically stunning Falcon Gray. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. On the front, you have your pre-collision system with your pedestrian detection as part of your Toyota safety sense, as well as your fully automatic headlights and your heated side mirrors. Plenty of fun things to introduce, but why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now. Nice, clean, sporty interior right off the bat. On the side here, you have your power windows as well as your power locks. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors and your heated side mirrors for those cold Alberta winters. Standard with your Corolla, you have your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And really sporty style is your soft interiors all throughout with that two-tone color just to tie everything together. But why don't we hop on in and start it up. Starting up your Corolla is super easy. Foot on the brake and that key into the ignition. The engine's going to start up for you here with that really sweet ambient lighting. Right now it's open to your lane departure warning as part of your Toyota safety sense. You also do have this stunning trim on your steering wheel for sporty style. You have your steering wheel mounted controls like your hands-free calling, your voice command, as well as your volume control and mode changers. On the side here you have your cruise control, which you can set with your dynamic radar cruise control as well. And there's that manual option for your lane departure warning. Taking a look at your stunning LCD screen, you do have your CD player on top with your audio including your AM/FM radio and your auxiliary USB input. You also do have your Bluetooth audio, which comes with your Bluetooth hands-free calling. And this screen is a nice, clean, modern look. Your backup camera also pops up right there. Below you have your climate control in a very modern style. You have these beautiful chrome tabs to adjust everything. You do have your automatic climate control, plus your air conditioning, which will be really nice during those hot summer months. You have your 12-volt DC charger underneath here, as well as your USB and auxiliary input. And very, very handy is your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger for the ultimate comfort. Some storage below, as well as that leather trim on your shift knob with your parking brake and your traction control available right there. You have your cup holders with that removable piece to make it nice and easy to keep clean. Inside your center console you do have your upper shelf for any smaller items, and below you have that removable mat and plenty of space to store everything that you need in your vehicle. Finally, looking at your glove box here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. Taking one final look at the interior of your Corolla, why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk, simply hold that button to release the latch. Taking a look inside now, plenty of space to store everything that you need in your vehicle, as well as this handy hardcover, which underneath you can find your spare tire with all the tools and your jack in case anything does happen. You also do have your cargo lamp inside for visibility, as well as your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need some convertible storage. Below here you have your emergency release. Closing it up, you do have your backup camera available to you as well, which is definitely a nice luxury convenience feature. We have the LE badging, and we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the CVT. As part of your Toyota safety sense, you also have that backup camera and your lane departure warning with steering assist to make sure you're driving away nice and comfortably. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.